Have you ever wondered how those little pieces of paper and metal in your wallet became so powerful? Let's rewind thousands of years and find out how money was actually invented. Long before coins or cash existed, people traded goods directly with each other. This system was called bartering, swapping what you had for what you needed. But bartering had a huge flaw. What if you had fish to trade, but the shoemaker didn't want fish? This mismatch was called the double coincidence of wants. Humans needed something everyone would accept in exchange for anything. That simple idea would eventually change the world forever. The earliest form of money wasn't coins at all. It was everyday items like shells, grain, and cattle. These were some of the first things people agreed had value. But commodity money had problems. Cows couldn't be split into small change, and grain could rot. People needed something more practical and durable. That's when metals like gold, silver, and bronze entered the picture. They were durable, easy to divide, simple to carry, and rare enough to hold value. Around 600 BCE, the Kingdom of Lydia in modern-day Turkey minted the world's first official coins, stamped with a lion to prove their authenticity. Coins were revolutionary because they had a standardized weight and a stamped value. That meant people could trust them without weighing metal every single time. The idea spread fast. Greece, Rome, and China all developed their own coin systems, each adding their own symbols, rulers, and designs. Gold and silver coins became the global standard for trade, accepted across kingdoms, empires, and continents. As trade routes like the Silk Road connected distant civilizations, coins became essential for merchants traveling thousands of miles to trade goods. But carrying sacks of heavy coins across long distances was exhausting and dangerous, with the constant risk of theft. The solution came from China during the Tang and Song dynasties, where merchants began using paper certificates instead of heavy coins. These paper notes were called promissory notes, a written promise that could be exchanged for real coins stored safely elsewhere. When explorer Marco Polo traveled to China, he brought back stories of this paper money, and the idea slowly made its way to Europe. In Europe, goldsmiths began storing people's gold safely and handing out paper receipts instead, an early form of banking. People soon realized they could simply trade the receipts themselves without ever touching the gold. That paper had officially become money. This idea evolved into official banknotes, printed and guaranteed by trusted institutions, the birth of modern paper currency. Sweden issued Europe's first official banknotes in 1661, and the Bank of England soon followed, cementing paper money's place in the world. For a long time, paper money was directly backed by gold. This system was known as the gold standard. Every note represented real gold in a vault. This meant your money had real physical value sitting safely behind it, giving people confidence in the paper they carried. But by the 20th century, most countries, including the United States in 1971, moved away from the gold standard entirely. Modern money is now what we call fiat currency, valuable not because it's backed by gold, but because governments and people trust it. Today, money has evolved again. Much of it isn't physical at all. It exists as digital numbers stored safely on computers and servers. Credit cards, online banking, and mobile payments now let us move money instantly without ever touching a single coin or bill. And now, cryptocurrency has emerged, a completely digital form of money, secured by code instead of banks or governments. From cattle to coins, from paper receipts to banknotes, and now digital currency. Money has continuously evolved to solve one simple problem: trust. At its heart, money was never really about gold or paper. It was always about trust between people. That's the real invention. So the next time you spend a coin, remember, it's just an old idea for trust, wearing a shiny new outfit. And next episode, we will check why the bank was created and who owns the bank, really? Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next episode.